there was a mention of the fact that these people were LET terrorist operators and so on, and the other one, that aspect was deleted.
A day after GK Pillai's explosive revelations on Times Now, the Ishrat news break echoing in Parliament.
मैडम, इशरत जहां के केस में पूरा देश देख रहा था। क्या बोल कई वर्षों तक मैडम लगातार इशरत जहां के केस में इस देश के प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी, जो उस समय गुजरात के मुख्यमंत्री थे, उनको फंसाने का जिस तरह से प्रयास किया गया, वो देश जानना चाहता है। जो पूर्व गृह सचिव ने कहा मैडम, किस तरह से एफिडेविट को बदला गया मैडम, ये एक सोची समझी साजिश थी अपने राजनीतिक प्रतिद्वंदियों को खत्म करने के लिए जो पूर्व सरकार ने की थी। उन्होंने कहा एफिडेविट को पॉलिटिकल लेवल पर बदला गया था। वो पॉलिटिकल लेवल पर कौन लोग इन्वॉल्व थे, देश जानना चाहता है, देश जानना चाहता है मैडम।
A hint of political meddling after Times Now's second news break on the Ishrat encounter.
You know, during the period when you were the Home Secretary, there were two affidavits that were filed, totally contradictory to each other. Tell us more about these affidavits and in what context were these affidavits filed?
I don't think that affidavits were contradictory to each other. What really happened was, in one, there was a mention of the fact that, to the best of my knowledge, now I'm trying to recollect, that these people were LET terrorist operators and so on, and the other one, that aspect was deleted.
Why was it deleted?
I really wouldn't know, because that was not done at my level. But
it was done at a political level?
Yeah, I would say yes. It was done at a political level. But
what was the logic? Why would they really want to?
That is something which you will have to ask at the political level, not me.
And now the gloves are off, with the BJP claiming vindication.
सोनिया गांधी और राहुल गांधी को इस पर अब बोलना चाहिए कि चिदंबरम ने जो किया वो आपको बताकर ही किया होगा, आपको स्पष्टीकरण देना चाहिए.
I am shocked to hear that. The then Home Minister should answer.
You feel he should have spoken at that time?
I will not make it personal, but it is shocking.
The Congress party needs to come clean. What is the stand of the Congress party on Ishrat Jahan? Now that the former Home Secretary has come on record.
If Mr. Pillai had a problem with a particular affidavit as Home Secretary, he should have objected to it then.
Following the News Hour news break, a former top cop has sought CBI intervention.
Whoever has sided with the LET and tried to doctor the affidavit and tried to bail out the LET, and those who were trying to give a cover-up, they should be taken to task and punished as early as is possible.
The tremors 2 weeks after Rajendra Kumar interview on Times Now, making it two officers linked to UPA hinting at a political role.
1 second. Before you get swamped.
I just wanted to ask you about Ishrat Jahan. You know how, huh?
I said,
okay. 2 weeks, 2 news breaks. 12 years after this encounter near Ahmedabad. And the focus is back on who tried to cover Ishrat's tracks and absolve the Lashkar. Bureau Report, Times Now.